Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open RAR files on Windows 11. So guys, let's get started. Now as you can see on my desktop here, I have a RAR file that I want to open it, right? And I can't do it for the reason that I will be showing you on this video. Now if you're in the same situation, the first step to open your RAR file, you need first to open any of your favorite browser. Then once your browser is open, just search WinRAR. Then next on your search results, you need to click on the first link right here and you will be directed to official WinRAR website. So here you need to download WinRAR file. You have two options you can do it. You can buy by clicking on green button right here, or you can download it for free by clicking on a blue button below it, right? Click on download WinRAR, a blue button down here. Then next here again will be shown two ways you can download a WinRAR. Now click on blue button, download a WinRAR. Then from there the download process will start right away. Then after a few seconds your WinRAR file will be downloaded on your PC. Next after the download process, now you need to open your WinRAR file and follow few simple instructions to install it. So here I'll just click on install. Next click on OK and complete the process by clicking on done button, and WinRAR will be installed on your PC. Go back to your RAR file on your PC and right click on it. Then on this pop-up options, go to WinRAR and another option will pop up on your left or right. Now you need to hover on your second pop-up and click on extract files, and as you can see your RAR file will be extracted. Now you can go ahead and open your file without any problem, right? So guys, that's how you can open a RAR file on Windows 11. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.